Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I show how to add sound effects inside Canva. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so don't miss out on important information and to not make any mistakes. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright guys, open up that project where you like to add that sound effect to. So for this demonstration I'm using this simple video intro for a YouTube channel. So now I'm going to go ahead and show you how to add a sound effect to this video. Canva has a lot of sound effects you can use, so to find them, click onto Elements, and in this search elements bar here, just type in what type of sound effect you want to use. So for this demonstration, I'm going to search for a electric sound effect, so I'm going to type in electric effects, and now what that will do, if you scroll across here and look for audio, and you got all these different type of electrical sound effects. I've got the premium version of Canva, but if you don't have premium, you can click on the little adjust button, and then click on free. And now if you go back, you got all these different sound effects that are free to use. So if I want to use this sound effect, I'll just go ahead and press play. So if I want to use this sound effect, what I do is just click on it and then move it to what part of the section of this video I want it to be used in. So if I want it to be in this first section here, I'll just adjust it like so. So if I press play on this video, you can see that electrical type of camera shuttering sound effect has been added to this. So yeah, go ahead and have a play around all these different type of sound effects, type in different sound effects, then when you found the one, just simply click onto it and then add it to your video. So yeah, that's it for this video guys, how to add sound effects inside Canva. Thanks for watching this video to the very end. Please consider to like this tutorial and subscribe to our channel if you found it was helpful.